Welcome back to another episode of The Silly Kitchen. Today's 2-minute recipe is an awesome elevated chicken salad sandwich. The first thing I want you to start with is obviously you need some chicken. I don't know about you guys, but anytime I bake chicken in the oven, I always make a little bit extra because I know I want to have some sandwiches or quick lunches for the rest of the week. Just run your knife through it. It doesn't have to be even or perfect. We just need it to be in chunks. Once you're done all that, you've got a bowl of chicken all cut up. The next thing, quick like a bunny, chop, chop, chop. Let's get a stick of celery going. You wanna do the exact same thing with a couple pieces of red onion. Once you've got that all cut up, we are gonna start assembling. The first thing is, let's go ahead and drop in our onions and celery. Mayo, mayonnaise, whatever you like to use goes in next. Use as much or as little as you want. Salt and pepper. Now this already looks like a really good chicken salad, but I'm gonna give you a little bit of a secret punch here. Let's talk about this beautiful sauce. It's called BAJAN TYGA, and it is a spicy condiment sauce that I am so excited to share with you. I'm gonna link everything in the bio, but look at that beautiful color. Let's switch up our scene from chicken salad to a nice beautiful piece of rye bread. And I really like using romaine lettuce. And now all you gotta do is scoop all that beautiful chicken salad onto your bread and lettuce. All you have to do to finish it off is put that top on, cut it in half, and your sandwich is ready. You know what I'm gonna do to finish off this 2-minute episode is have a bite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your chicken salad.